Ever notice how dust magically appears 5 minutes after you clean? Yeah, either my house is haunted or my old vacuum was lying to me. So if you're searching for a cordless vacuum that actually cleans and not just pushes dirt around, stick with me. I tested the Tineco Pure One A90S and there's a lot to unpack. I've used a lot of stick vacuums, some scream like jet engines, others quit halfway through one room. The A90S promised power, brains, and comfort, so I put it through daily mess, pet hair, and I'll clean later corners. First thing you notice, suction. This thing pulls up fine dust, crumbs, and pet hair in one pass, especially on carpets. I tested it on a rug that looked clean. The dust bin told a very different story. That's proof number one. If the bin fills fast, it's doing its job. What really separates this vacuum is how smart it is. The 3D Sense brush automatically adjusts when it hits edges and changes floors or detects more dirt. You don't stop, you don't switch models, it just adapts. That's not marketing fluff, it's noticeable in real use. The foldable tube is a quiet hero here. You can clean under beds and couches without bending like you're doing yoga. And that green LED light, it exposes dust you didn't know existed. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. Battery life is solid for full home cleaning in eco mode. It's not a toy vacuum, it's built for real houses with real mess. So should you use the Tineco Pure One A90S if you want power, smart cleaning, and less effort? This one genuinely delivers. And no, my house is still dusty, but now it doesn't stand a chance. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.